Hello, my name is Amalia Darnold. My U number is 77883878, and I'm going to be going over the database for insurance types for each state for the class financial accounting. 2AB requirement is going over the sum of sales. So for the highest, it is at Ohio at 1,093,101.45, and the lowest is at New Hampshire at 763,138.18. For requirement 2C, it's going over the average sales. So the highest average sale is at Alabama at 670.8, and the lowest is at Wyoming at 674.71. For requirement 2D, it's going over the count of sales. The highest is at Maine at 1,382, and the lowest is at Louisiana at 1,203. Requirement 3 is going over the sum of sales for different regions. The highest is at Atlantic at 9,159,297.56, and the lowest is Northeast at 4,763,368.50. Requirement 4 is going over two things, the region and the different salespeople for the sum of sales. So for all of the regions, the highest in each was Jack, Stacy, Colin, Jacob, Doug, and Cheryl. And then the lowest for each was Bill, Kane, Rob, Avery, Holly, and Carrie. For requirement 5, it's going over two things, the region and the insurance type for the sum of sales. On the right side, you can see that there's a key for the different insurance types being professional, auto, home, disability, and life. For all of the different types of insurance types, the highest is Atlantic. Last but not least, requirement 6 is representing a map of the United States. It is showing a gradient color purple. The lightest color, white, is representing the lowest sum of sales, while the darkest shade of purple is going over the highest sum of sales for each state. All right, to end it all, the last thing I wanted to mention was a trend I noticed. That would be that in both requirement 3, as you can see right here, and requirement 5, Atlantic was the highest for the sum of sales. And that's all. Thank you for listening to my presentation.